The difference between the two is First Still and Fast is self-taught. You just you get the information and you go at it at your own pace. And you do have people in the FDDF group that you can talk to, but when you go to Plus, that's a whole different ballgame. It changes things because you have one-on-one coaching on Tuesdays, and Whitney's there with you for the whole day. You get that one-on-one time because Whitney has office hours, and you spend the afternoon with her on the one-on-one calls. There's other people maybe in her office hours, but you just jump in and you ask your questions and go on and do your business. And then as a group, we're there to help each other, support each other, and we have time on a face-to-face through Zoom to be able to ask questions and get to know one another.
What made you bump up?
Yes. Well, I had an action plan. I knew that once I completed a deal and got money that I was going to upgrade because I really needed accountability and the support because I don't have that in my circle, and I definitely needed that.
Well, FDDF by itself teaches you all the skills you know, but Plus is exactly what it says. You're getting that weekly mentoring experience, and for me it's accountability because I don't have anybody to be accountable for myself, and so it's that I've got to tell everybody what I'm doing this week, and so I do it so that I don't have to be embarrassed and say, oh, I just slacked off.
Don't think about it, just do it. Take action now.
What are you waiting for?
Just come, enjoy, yes.
If you're really wanting to get into real estate investing, this is the best education and the best networking that there is by far.